Okay, let's try to find ABC angle. They ask from us ABC angle, this angle, right? Here, ABC angle. So, how to get? Now, like I explained earlier in the earlier geometry questions, what you need to do, don't try to find directly this angle. It may be difficult. What you have to do, find the other angle which you can find with this information, right? Easily, what are the angle you can find, then after think again how to get this. Now, like this, right? Here, I'm not trying to get this one now, but I try here I can find this angle easily, because why? Here 110, now we know this is a straight line, I mean DFE, this is a straight line. So this one should be, whether this is 110, then this should be 70, because we know angle on a straight line 180. That means both together, I mean this one and this one together must be 180. So this is 70. Easily we can find. Okay, then you know here this what the CBFD. This is a cyclic quadrilateral, because why? You can see these all vertices on the circle, right? So that's why you can consider DCBF has a cyclic quadrilateral. Okay, now if this is cyclic quadrilateral, this angle plus this angle must be 180. In a cyclic quadrilateral, we have learned what the opposite angle are supplementary. Opposite angle supplementary. That means this plus this should be 180. So this angle, this angle, opposite angle is this, no, right? Directly. So this should be 100 this plus this 180. That means this should be what, the 110. This should be 110. Okay, then after, right, you can think here 110, 55, and this one should be again 180, right? That means 110 plus 55 plus this angle. So if I do it quickly, for the 110 plus 55 plus this angle we can call as CDB, right? This should be equal to 180, right? Now if you try to find here answer, it will be 165, right? Here CDB, right? 180. Then this 165 into here, so here will be CDB, what the 180 minus 65 mean, right? It will be what, the 17 degree. That means this will be 17 degree. Yeah, sorry, 15 degree. Here 180 minus 165 mean, I not write that line, but you can do, no, 180 subtract 165, it will be 15 degree. So this will be 15 degree, right? This will be 15 degree. Try to understand, this diagram is not to scale. That means this is not 50 degree angle. This is look like more than 15 degree, but here we don't need to care about, because they tell, no, this is not diagram is not to scale. Okay, now here 15, right? If I use another paper to explain some another theorem like this. Now if you have a circle, right, don't care about the circle is not exact, and here if you have a tangent to the circle, at this tangent point mean what, this tangent touch the circle. At that point, if you make a chord, to this tangent point, this chord subtended angle like at the circumference. Now if I draw like this way, okay, I don't need to draw this is exactly, because this is just an idea I need to explain. Now here this angle equal to this angle, this is we call normally alternate segment theorem. Now here this one equal to this one, but the here need to be what the tangent. At the tangent point, you need to make a chord to the tangent point. That chord subtended the angle. This one, this chord, this is the chord. This chord subtended the angle. Here, these two equal. So here, that theorem we can use. Here, look. Now, if this chord, this is the tangent. I mean, ABE is the tangent. ABE is the tangent. And this is the chord, CB is the chord. CB chord subtended angle is this. This one, CB subtended angle at circumference is this. Now this one should be equal to this one. That means this both equal, right? We can call these two, equal, because these are alternate segment angle. Now these are alternate segment theorem, and this angle must be equal to this angle, right? This is the tangent, ABE is the tangent, they tell us, and this is the at tangent point we have CB chord. Not only CB chord, we have DB chord, FB chord, like that. But here, when we consider CB chord, the tangent and CB chord between that two, this angle should be equal to what the CB chord subtended angle at circumference. That means if this is 15, this also 15, right? Now this is the angle they ask from us. So we can tell ABC angle equal to 15 degree.